Hey everyone, in this video we are going to use the given information to figure out the value of cotangent theta. So it says a point on the terminal side of an angle theta is given. Find the exact value of the indicated trigonometric function of theta. So the point given is 8, 6. 8, 6 has a positive x and y coordinate. That puts it in quadrant 1. I went over 8 units and then I went up 6 units. That means this side can be looked at as a length of 8 and this can be 6, and they're both in the positive direction to the right and up as indicated by the ordered pair. This over here I'm going to draw in is the hypotenuse of a reference triangle. The terminal side is going to be passing through this point, so it's really over there, and your reference angle theta is right over there in that corner. And if we draw a little a for our angle to kind of represent it, that a can represent the adjacent side that touches it, and if we take it apart, it's an h representing the hypotenuse which also touches it, so hypotenuse adjacent. The hypotenuse is always positive. We also, my dog wants to go outside really badly. I'm sorry if you hear him crying. I promised him I'll take him after this example. So 8 and 6 are 6, 8 blank as a part of a Pythagorean triple. These are both divisible by 2. So if I divide them by 2, I get 3, 4, 5. So that means the missing side 10. You could also find that with Pythagorean theorem, which isn't really necessary. Inside of this triangle, I'm going to write down the 3, 4, and the 5. On the outside, you have that the h is equal to 10. If I want to find cotangent of theta, I need to know what the ratio for cotangent is. He's freaking out. He's so sad. So I know tan, as in cot𝜃, is opposite over adjacent. That means that cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So the adjacent, so cotangent of theta adjacent is 8 over opposite is 6. Now, it's going to reduce, and you should reduce it. It's 4 over 3, which I wanted to point out, it just makes sense if you use the reduced Pythagorean triple to figure out the missing side. You really don't need the longest side, unless it were a word problem asking you, like, how far does grandma live if you traveled 8 miles this way, 6 miles this way, how far is, okay, in that case, you want the actual number. But if we're looking for a ratio, trigonometric ratios, trig functions, you don't need to even boost them back up because they're going to reduce back down again. All right. So if you have anything you want to add to that, apologies about my dog, you can just go ahead and contribute to the comment section below. If you feel like you understood what's going on here and you just got to maybe play it again once or twice to make it really sink in, then just go ahead and tell yourself that. Thumbs up if you're good to go, and thumbs down if you need to watch it again. Click through for the next video. I'm probably going to link the wrong one right now because I don't have time to do all of these other videos. So it'll jump you around, but check back on the playlist and there'll be 10 more examples for you to look through. Everything's connected. It all correlates together, and I hope you're feeling a little bit smarter at the end of this video. Adios. We're going.